चिंबल PSC आणि होप NGOच्या जोडपालवान बांबोळे BSNL क्वार्टर्स एरियेत नितळसाण मोहीम चालीक लायली. प्लास्टिकाचो कमी उपेग करात आणि आमचे गोंय नितळ दवरात. आपल्या सरभोवतणी आपूण नितळ दवरल्यार पर्यावरण नितळ उरता असो संदेश आयोजकांनी दिला. पणजेच्यान RDX गोवा खातीर विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
1st to 15th is national. It is observed as the Swachhata Pakhwada fortnight, and we have taken a Swachhata pledge. So this drive is a part of the Swachhata Pakhwada, and we are starting like how you say in our backyard. So this is the approach road to the PSC Chimbel, where there's a lot of littering happening because of some quarters. So the inmates of the quarters. So we have decided to start it over here. And even otherwise, every Friday is our cleanliness drive day when all the staff gather and we have this drive in different parts of our jurisdiction. And today even the NGOs are helping us. This is PSC Chimbel. So this is a Bamboli. We are in Bamboli. So Taligaon, Santa Cruz, Mershi, Chimbel, the entire area we are having cleanliness drives every Friday with the help of all our staff from the sub centers. And today this is in our my surroundings in PSC Chimbel.
So what are the things that you find more?
There's more of plastic, of course, because now it's very good that the plastic anti-plastic drive has been enforced now, so that hopefully we have less of plastic being generated, because people are just dumping it on the, as you can see now, it's being dumped around here and it's creating a nuisance.
We are representing Hope NGO. On behalf of the Hope NGO, with the help of the health department, we are doing this cleaning drive.
Where it is?
This is at the Bambolim BSNL quarters. If you see this place is in mess. You know, like this mostly this BSNL quarters people use this, and I request those people through your media to not to put any garbage because it's really dirty, and it's been, I don't know, I think a whole day won't be enough to clear this mess. So I request all the people in Goa, like, please do not dump your garbage anywhere, because now since rainy season is approaching soon, so we request you to have a cleaning drive in your area also before the rains, so that we keep our Goa clean.